Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Lexus IS300 key battery. This is a straightforward process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your hands are completely dry to prevent any moisture from affecting the electronics inside your key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the emergency key blade. Pull the blade out and set it aside. Next, look for a small slot or indentation, usually near where the emergency key was housed. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, carefully pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery inside. Use your screwdriver to carefully pop out the old battery. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive or plus side faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into place. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Gently press them together until they snap securely shut, ensuring there are no gaps. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks into position. Finally, test your key fob by pressing each button to confirm that all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. You have successfully replaced your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.